guys, today I'm going to share with you all an updated recipe for tomato choka. If you guys love tomato choka, you're going to love this one. So to a foil pouch, add in 2 cloves of garlic and a drizzle of vegetable or canola oil. I don't recommend using olive oil because that's a little too strong flavored for this recipe. Close the pouch and you're going to place it onto an open flame together with 1 hot pepper and a couple tomatoes. We're going to roast everything nice and low and slow. That tomato skin is going to get charred and it's going to give this tomato choka a really lovely smoky taste, a really delicious flavor. There's nothing like roasted tomatoes or tomatoes choka. Next, place the roasted garlic together with the oil into a bowl. Place the hot pepper into that bowl also. And you're going to clean that charred skin off of the tomato and place it into the bowl. You want to get as much of that skin off of the tomato as you can. And you want to make sure that it's cool, that you can handle the tomato because you can get burnt very easily. Next, discard that tomato skin. Next, you want to mash down on the tomatoes. I like to mash my tomatoes until it's kind of smooth. If you like it chunky, you can make it chunky. And also, if you wanted to use your food processor instead of this old school way, you can. Just be careful if you're using your food processor that it doesn't turn into a puree. You want to also mash down on the garlic and the hot pepper. You're going to mash all of that together with the tomatoes. Now, if you didn't want this as spicy, you'll need to take the seeds out of the hot pepper. Season with salt to taste. Add some chopped or sliced onions. And next we have to heat up some oil so that we can chunky that tomato. So you're going to heat the oil until it's screaming hot. Add the hot oil to the tomatoes and you hear that charring sound that it creates. That's what we call chunking. Next you want to mix, taste and adjust your salt accordingly, and then this is ready to be served. It is best served with hot sada roti or dal and rice. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!